Welcome to my channel Math from Basic. Dear fellows, I am going to teach you about highest common factor. HCF stands for highest common factor. Now I will tell you all the methods by which we can find HCF of any two numbers. Dear fellows, suppose we have two numbers 18 and 30. Find HCF of 18 and 30, and we have to find its HCF. So for this purpose, as the name shows, highest common factor, we shall find factors of 18 and 30. First find the factors of 18. Factors of 18. You know that if we multiply 1 by 18, we will get 18. But if we multiply 2 by 9, 2 9s are 18, you will also get 18 by this. If you multiply 3 by 6, then you will also get 18. 3 multiplied by 6, 3 6 are 18. And after 3 4, there is no 4 in the table of 18. 5 6 6, you know that 6 multiplied by 3 is also equal to 18, but we have also already written 3 multiplied by 6. If I write here 6 multiplied by, let's write 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18, but 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18 and 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. It means that the numbers these digits are repeating now, so we will not use 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18 because it is repeated number. So leave it, cross it, because now it is started repeating. You will take the factors of 18 like this. Start from here and then move to here. With the arrow sign, you will get the factors of 18. Now factors of 18 I am writing here. Factors of 18, these are 1 2 3, 1 2 3, then 6 9 18, 6 9 18. These are factors of 18. In the same way, find factors of 30. You can find factor of 30 with the same method. 1 multiplied by 30 is equal to 30. Then 2 multiplied by 15 is equal to 30. 3 multiplied by 10. 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. Then there is no 4 in the table of 30. 4 can't divide 30. 5 can divide 30. So 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. Now if you see that 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30, but we have already written 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30, so no need to write 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. So we know that these are repeating now, so we will stop here as repetition has started up to here and then up to here. With the help of these arrow sign, you will write the factors of 30. Now I am going to write factor of 30 here. Factors of 30, these are equal to 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 5, then 6 10 15 30, 6 10 15 and 30. These are factors of 30. Now because we are finding HCF, it means that we are finding highest common factor. Common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. These are common factors. 9 is not common, 18 is not common. Up to 6, these are common factors. You can see 1 is common in both, 2 is common in both, 3 is common in both, and 6 is also common in both. But the highest common is 6. So you can make its loop. This 6 is highest common factor of 18 and 30. So you will write HCF as HCF of 18 and 30 is equal to 6 because it is highest common factor. Now you can find highest common factor of 18 and 30 by other methods. Let's say it is method 1. Method 1. Now I am trying method 2. In method 2, find the prime factors of 18 and 30. Let us find prime factors of 18 and 30. Prime factors of 18. Find here prime factors of 18. You know that we can divide 18 by 2. Divide 18 by 2, you will get 9. When 18 is divided by 2, you will get 9. When 9 is divided by 9 can't be divided by 2, it can be divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 can be divided by 3 only. 3 1s are 3. So these are prime factors of 18. Write these here. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. These are prime factors of 18. It means that these are parts of 18. Now find prime factors of 30. Prime factors of 30. Find the prime factors of 30 here. Let us find here. Thirty can be divided by 2. 2 15s are 30. You can divide here like this. 2 1s are 2. 1 here, and you will get 0 here. Now 2 5s are 10. So 15 is the answer. Now you see that 15 can be divided by 3 as the prime number. 15 when divided by 3, you will get 5, and 5 can only be divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. Now 2 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. 2 3 5 are the prime numbers which are prime factors of 30. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So these are the prime factors of 30. Now you will find the common prime factors of 30 so that you can get HCF. HCF is equal to common prime factors. When you have prime factors, then common prime factors make HCF. So here are 2 and 2 common in both. You can make its loop, and 3, these 3 are also common, so you can also make their loop. So 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 6. So HCF is the common prime factor of 30 is the product of common prime factors of 30. Common prime factors, you will write here product of common prime factors. Product of common prime factors is also called HCF, and that is 6. Again 6. Dear fellows, now see method 3. For this purpose, 18 and 30, you have to find its HCF by this method. In this method, you will find a table of prime number that can divide both 18 and 30. If there are only two numbers, then you will find a table or any prime number that can divide these both. Or if there are three numbers, then you will find a prime number that can divide 3. Now here are two numbers 18 and 30. You will see that 2 can divide 18 as well as 30. When 18 is divided by 2, you will get 9. When 30 is divided by 2, you will get 15. Now you will find another number which can divide 9 and 15. You see that 3 can divide 9 as well as 15. So takes 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Now there is no any number that can divide both 3 and 5. So you will stop here. You will not move further, and you will take these prime numbers which have divided 18 and 30, and both of these have divided 18 and 30, and then 9 and 15. So these will be your HCF. Their product will be HCF. So take the HCF of these. So HCF is equal to HCF of 18 and 30 is equal to, you will take these two numbers, 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So this is the HCF of 18 and 30 by this method. And for the fourth method, in the fourth method, if you have prime number in the form of index, then how will you find HCF? For example, prime factors of 18, these were 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and in the form of index these were 2, these will be 2 and 3 raised to power 2, because 3 is 2 times. So in the form of index you will write prime factors of 18 as, and now prime factors of 30, these are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, and in the index notation they will remain same because each digit is only one time. So you will write as such in the form of index notation. Now if you want to find the HCF from these prime factors having index notation, you will write these again. See here, prime factors of 18 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2, and prime factors of 30 equal to 2. Write this 2 in the line of these in the form of column, then multiplication sign, then this 3 below this one, and 5 will remain alone because here is no 5. You will write here 1. So you will arrange these like this, and now you see here 2 is below 2 and 3 is below 3, and there was no 5, so I wrote here 1 to equalize these. Now you will see, to get HCF, you will write lower index or smaller index from these. You see here that 1 is 2 carry 2, the index of 2 is 1 here and 1 here, so you will write here 2, and index of 3 is 1 here and 2 here, so smaller index is 1, so you will write 3 only because its index is 1. This one I have written here, and for 5 you can write this one because it is lower and 5 is higher, it is lower, so you can write here 1, or you no need to write 1 here. If you you know that when 1 is multiplied by any number, the answer remains same, so no need to write 1 here. But if we want to write, then we will write 1 here. Now 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Again 6 is our answer, and you can find HCF from the index notation like this. Now method fifth for finding HCF is the factor tree method. Now we will find the factors of 18 and 30. Find factors of 18 and 30. 18, you know that when 2 multiplied by 9, you will get 18. 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18. 2 is the lowest prime number, but from 9 you can get other prime numbers. You know that when 3 multiplied by 3, you will get 9, and 2 will remain as such, and you will write 2 here. Now you see here that 18 gives us 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. These are the prime factors of 18 by factor tree method. Now find prime factors of 30. Our next number was 30, so also try tree method. You know that when 2 multiplied by 15, you will get 30, and 2 is the lowest prime number, so you will write it as such. But 15 is not a lower prime number, so 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. Now you see here that these are the lowest prime number which can give us 30 and 18 as well. Now take common from these lowest prime number, and you will get the HCF. See here, these two are common in both. HCF is equal to product of common prime numbers. 2 is common in both, and also this 3 is common in both. 1 3 is also common in both. So you will get 2 here, from here multiply by 3 from these 2 3s, and 2 3s are 6, again 6. So there are 5 methods by which you can find HCF of any 2 numbers, any 3 numbers, or any 4 numbers. So you can say that this is the summary of HCF finding. There is also a 6th method to find the HCF of any 2 number, 3 or 4 number. For this purpose, you will take 18 here and 30 here. You will divide 30 by 18 first. You know that 1 time 1/18s are 18 here. When you divide these, now subtract from 0. You can't subtract 8, but you will get carry from here. Here it will be 2 and here will be 10. From 10 remove 8, you will get 2, and from 2 remove 1, you will get 1 here. Now you will proceed this line further, and you will make a step like this. Now because 12 is smaller than 18, so you will take 18 here, and now you will divide it by 12. 12 ones are 12. You can write here 1, just like this, 1 here, and 12 ones are 12. Now you see that when you divide, when you subtract 12 from 18, you will get 8, subtracted by 2, you will get 6, and now 6 is smaller than 12, so you will take this 12 here. Now 6 2s are 12, 12 here, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, so it is completely divided and leaving remainder 0. This is called long division method. To find HCF of any two number, you can also find HCF of 3 number, 4 or 5, any number of numbers. Now see here, 6 has divided at the end, so HCF is equal to this one 6, the number which has divided at the end of all the numbers, that is called HCF. So 6 is our HCF. In short, you can say that HCF is the highest common factor. It means that HCF gives us such a number which is highest number that can divide any given numbers. For example, 18 and ratio 30. These both number can be divided by the biggest number. That biggest number will be 6. So if you divide 18 by 6, you will get 6 3s are 18, 3 here, and if you divide 30 by 6, you will get 5. Now these are the simplest number that you can got by dividing the HCF. So with the help of HCF, we are able to find simplest numbers that can be obtained after dividing the numbers by their HCF. So these are the simplest number from 18 and 30 that we have got with the help of HCF. So HCF is the highest common factor that can divide given numbers. Thanks. I think you will be understanding me. If you are understanding, then share this video so that the student may not be confused while finding HCF. Thanks for watching. Take care.